You're with your partner. You're ready. But nothing happens, or you get started and suddenly, it's gone. You're not alone. Millions of men over 50 struggle with getting or keeping an erection. But why? Is it physical? Mental? Something worse? Let's break it down. Hey, I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and this channel is where men over 50 get real answers without shame. Erectile problems can feel embarrassing, but they're common, treatable, and not your fault. So let's talk openly about why this happens, what it means, and how to fix it. There are two big reasons men have trouble with erections. 1. Physical, organic. Your body isn't able to send enough blood or maintain pressure. 2. Psychological, mental/emotional. Stress, anxiety, or depression interferes with arousal. And for most men, it's both, especially as we age. Let's start with the physical side. 1. Blood flow problems. Erections depend on good circulation. Conditions like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and atherosclerosis block blood vessels, including the ones that go to the penis. 2. Low testosterone. Testosterone levels naturally decline after 40. Low T can reduce libido and make it harder to get firm. 3. Diabetes. Damages blood vessels and nerves, making erections weaker or unpredictable. 4. Medications. Blood pressure drugs, antidepressants, and even antihistamines can interfere with function. 5. Obesity and smoking. Both reduce blood flow and hormone levels. Now let's talk about your brain. 1. Performance anxiety. Fear of failure can cause failure. It becomes a vicious cycle. One bad experience makes you nervous the next time, and so on. 2. Stress and fatigue. Work pressure, money stress, poor sleep, they all take a toll on arousal and focus. 3. Depression. Low mood kills libido, and some antidepressants worsen the issue. 4. Relationship tension. Emotional disconnect with your partner can directly impact physical intimacy. Here's the good news. This is fixable in most cases. 1. Get a physical checkup. Rule out heart disease, diabetes, or low T. Erections are often the first warning sign of bigger health issues. 2. Lifestyle changes. Exercise, better diet, quitting smoking, they all improve blood flow and hormones. Even losing 10 to 20 pounds can make a huge difference. 3. Medication or devices. Viagra, Cialis, when used under doctor supervision, can be very effective. Vacuum pumps also help temporarily. 4. Mental health support. If stress, anxiety, or shame are involved, therapy or counseling can unlock confidence and healing. Struggling with erections doesn't mean you're broken or less of a man. It means your body is signaling something, and now you know how to listen. Talk to a doctor. Take care of your heart. And talk to your partner. Most of all, don't suffer in silence. If this video helped you, like it and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more real men's health content. No shame, just straight talk. And check out our next video. What causes premature ejaculation after 50? It's packed with simple steps that can get you back on track.